Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a powerful AI website you can use to edit your video or probably to reduce unwanted voice or background voice in your video. So for you to do that, you head over to your browser on your PC. So okay, good. Is Microsoft Edge. Then you type this website. Okay, this is it up here, orthophotonic.com. Then you start, then you hit your enter. You can see this is it, AI sound engineer for videos. Then you tap at this option, drop video / video file. Once you tap at it, it take you straight to your storage. Then you can navigate and import the video or the audio sound you want to extract for better quality. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.